Is it gonna explode again? Is it frozen again? Oh my gosh. No, I broke this. I actually, oh. Hello guys, this is Spyderrock and welcome back to another Minecraft Bedrock Edition tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make giant super flat worlds just like this. I mean infinite custom super flat worlds in Minecraft Bedrock Edition, or I guess for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. It's not entirely in it. I'm going to be doing this on a software on Windows 10. However, I will provide some alternate options later in the video for those of you on console and Pocket Edition. So make sure you watch the whole video just so you can have access to those. I'm gonna go into how you can get your hands on a couple of these custom worlds. This is my redstone and commands world that I use for like testing things out and messing around with things. And this is completely infinite. I didn't just fill in a space with whatever this is, with sandstone. It literally goes all the way down here. But anyway, we should probably get into this tutorial. So in order to do this, you're going to need a software called MCC Tool Chest PE, which I have right here. This is a very useful software. You can use it to make custom worlds, to convert Java worlds to Bedrock, Bedrock worlds to Java, and I think maybe even console worlds around, like different types of console, like PS3 and Xbox 360 worlds. I'm not entirely sure, but it is a pretty useful software. And if you want to get this, I'll leave a link in the description to this download page right here. You're going to want to use this first one right here, and then make sure you also have this installed, but I already had it installed, I guess. Anyway, it's this first link right here. You'll get a zip. You'll want to unzip the zip and run the executable in there, and then you'll be all good. It should be set up. I mean, I can hit the little, you can't see this, I just realized. I can hit the little Windows button, and I can look up MCC Tool Chest PE, and it'll be there. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and make ourselves a custom super flat world. So go ahead up here in the corner and click File, then click New, and there you go. You essentially have this new Minecraft world. Now I'm gonna go ahead and close out of Minecraft just in case anything does kind of get messed up by this, and I will definitely go in there and reopen Minecraft so we can test this out. Anyway, you're gonna want to click on this little box off to the side where it has the little grass, the diamonds, and the other stuff like that. And this is where you can set yourself your custom things. So since I want this to be like an infinite world, I'm gonna click off of, actually, let's see, what biome do we want? I'm just gonna make this a plains. I like plains, I think they're cool. I like the textures of plains, but let's go ahead and make ourselves some layers here. So we're gonna go ahead, I wanna have, of course, bedrock on the bottom. I think I'm gonna make a, like a sand world like the one that I have. So let's see, where is bedrock? Oh gosh, it'll be really nice if this was organized. Can I type in bed? Wait, if I hit B, will I see? Oh, I'm only gonna see, wait, B. Okay, if you keep heading the letter that you want, it will scroll through all the things with that letter in it. So I'm really hoping we find bedrock around here somewhere, because this is getting a little bit frustrating. Here we go, it's right at the top of the list. I can't believe I missed that. Anyway, here we go, we have bedrock. We only want one layer of bedrock. Let's go ahead and add ourselves a new layer. And I want this layer to be above the bedrock, and I want this to be, here, we can go ahead and we can add some stone. I think I want to have like maybe 5 layers of stone, and then I'll add one more layer that is, let's see, what do we have here? Well, I guess it would make sense to add, I could add, 5 layers of stone, and then I'll have some sandstone. I don't know where sandstone is, so if I type S, maybe I'll run into sandstone. Here we go. It should be right up here. Smooth sandstone. Do we just have normal sandstone? Sandstone is like ideal for like, no, not gravel. I hate gravel. Sandstone. Where? Okay. Well, I'm gonna leave it there. I don't know where sandstone is. I can't read very well. It's right at the top, isn't it? Yep. Okay, and then I'm gonna have, maybe let's have 10 layers of sandstone. So here we go. We've got 10 layers of sandstone, 5 layers of stone, and 1 layer of bedrock. I think maybe I'll make this 13, 14, 15 layers, 5 layers, and 1 layer. Or I'll do 15 and 4, so that way it evens out to 20, and it goes from 1, and you're standing on top of block 21. Honestly, I don't know. I think this would make a really good, like, redstoning world, I guess. Or maybe I'll have it be, yeah, okay, I'll do 5, 15, and 1, and I'm gonna hit OK, and there we go. That should be our world. So if we go ahead here and hit save, then we should be able to see this little button down here that says new world. So I'm gonna click that. Save folder name, and I'm gonna call it sand red good. because it's sandstone and it's for redstone and it's good. Okay, now here we go. We essentially have made this world. Now the world should show up with no name. And it will show up at the bottom. Since I already clicked on it, it's up there, but it should show up at the bottom of your world selection, just all the way down there. But in my case, since I've clicked on it, I have it there. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a name. I'm gonna call it like test redstone sandstone, something like that. Anyway, we can hit play. It just uses like the default picture. I don't know why I can't say the word picture. But anyway, here we go. Here is our infinite sandstone world. And then right here, we've got this little hole that goes down here. We should have, hold on, let me go ahead and / game rule. What is that? What are those things called? Coordinates. Here, I'm gonna put that on just so we can see we're at level 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. And then here on 5, we've got stone, 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 stone. So 5 layers of stone, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then of course our layer of bedrock. Now I'm gonna talk about you people who want to play on Pocket Edition. Since you can't inherently do this on Pocket Edition, I think there's a couple apps that work for it, but the only one that I actually know, I think it's called Block2Graph, I think has been since shut down, because last time I went to download it, it just didn't show up. So like, I don't know, it just, I went to download it and it said there was like a Google Play Store error. So I honestly don't know, but I will leave all of these. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a couple more of these just for fun. And I'll guide you guys through again, just with a couple of the other features that you can do here with making these custom superflats. But I will leave, for those of you on Pocket Edition and Xbox Edition, all of the ones that I'm making in this video in the description below. I'll leave downloads to all of them. So if you'd like to make yourself a nice little, I guess, whatever world you want, I'll leave the worlds in the description essentially. I don't know why I'm ranting about this. So if you want to export this world, which I'm gonna go ahead and do, so those of you who are playing on other versions of the game can actually access it, hit File, hit MC World, hit Create. And then you can select your world here from all of these. So in our case, I have test redstone sandstone. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that, and then we can export this to wherever we want. So I'm gonna export this just to my desktop if I can find it. Here we go, desktop, test redstone sandstone.mc world, and then just hit save, and it says world archive completed. Now it should show up, yep, there we go, right there on desktop, test redstone sandstone. I am actually having tongue twister issues saying this. So I let you guys vote on which of these that you wanted the most, and the 3 that won, well, sandstone for redstone won by a long shot. For what custom superflat worlds you wanted the most for Minecraft Bedrock, and thank you to the 764. That's a lot of people. Thank you to all of you who voted for this. And then some of you guys said deeper normal, so I'm gonna go ahead and make that next, and then I'll finish it off by making a nice TNT world, because I feel like that could actually be pretty interesting and funny. So anyway, let's go ahead and make a new world, file, new, and then here we go. We can go ahead and click whichever one of these buttons opens it up. I don't know why I can't grab it. Here we go, level.dat. Sorry, I had overworld selected. And then since this is, what is this? Just a bigger normal one. So I'm gonna put this in the plains too. And then I'm gonna have, what am I gonna have? So I'm gonna have the bottom one be bedrock, which should be down here. And then I'm gonna add in, I think I'm gonna just do dirt and then grass. So I'm gonna do maybe 20 layers of dirt and then a layer of grass. I think that sounds good. And then I'll do grass as well, and then I'll have to rearrange these two. Let's see, where is dirt? Okay, grass block, here we go. I'm gonna put grass block on the top, and then dirt, and then the bedrock. There we go. Okay, and then file. Here, let me go ahead and close out of Minecraft again. I don't wanna have to deal with any weird things. So I recommend having Minecraft closed. I like having Minecraft closed here. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and hit save, and then new world, and then save folder name, which it doesn't give the world itself a name, but I'm gonna call it better nor can I type? I really have to get better at typing. Okay, so hit OK. There we go. Better normal created. Now let's go ahead and test this out. Scroll down to the bottom. Here we go. No name. Go ahead and name it. Call it better normal, and then go ahead and hit play. And let's see, hopefully this will work just fine. I mean, it shouldn't take too long to build the terrain. It's literally just flat. And there we go. We've got all our mobs spawning around here. Let me go ahead and throw on coordinates. There we go, 22 blocks in the air, grass block, bunch of dirt blocks going down here, And then at the bottom of all of these dirt blocks should be, yep, just like that, our perfectly generated custom super flat world, very large. I wish you could do this in vanilla Minecraft, but this is, I will also say, I think just genuinely an easier process than actually making custom super flat worlds in Java Edition. I actually kind of prefer it, even though I have to use an external software. But I'm gonna go ahead and export this world for you guys to use, and then I'll move on to our TNT world, and we can cause some chaos. Okay, so I've got my TNT world here, as well as my copy of, and then there's nothing else because it didn't have a name. I'm gonna open up the copy though, and I just want to see what happens. So the recording may get stopped. Oh no. Wait, where am I? I'm on the bottom of the world because maybe I can't spawn that high up. This is trippy. This is really weird. Oh no. Oh no. I think it ignited. Did it ignite? Oh no. Wait, didn't set them off? It just blew up a hole in the TNT. That's kind of disappointing if I'm being honest. Let me just run across it. No, I think it's just not working. I think it legitimately, like, I crashed this. Like, these are just deleting. It's not even, like, I think I actually have broken this world. Like, I think this world is just dead. I was expecting a huge explosion, but no, it's just, I can't open my inventory. I don't think the game can process. I don't think the game can process this. I should have just done all TNT and then I put down a redstone block. I don't know, maybe having the pressure plates here messed this up. But here's the TNT world. Maybe you guys will have better... Wait, is this a TNT down here? What is happening to this TNT? Sorry, I just went quiet for a second, but like... What is actually happening? The world stopped generating. The TNT is just kind of frozen there. And we've got this weird strobing TNT... What? I'm so confused. Well, anyway, I'm gonna leave it here. I'll put a link in the description to a zip file with all of these worlds in it. If you want to mess around with this completely broken world as well, that's there. But I've got the 3 that I've shown off in this video for your availability. What did I do? Maybe like the process of breaking the TNT ignite. I am like, what actually? Can I leave the world and rejoin it? Okay, now I'm just curious to see what happened. Oh no, I think it's gonna get stuck on saving world. Okay, nope, here we go. Okay, let's see if I can actually open this back up. Like, will this work? Will it just be its bugged mess? Oh no. Oh no, it's like a whole nother frame. Oh, there it goes. There goes the TNT. Okay. What is happening? That was huge. Is it gonna explode again? Is it frozen again? Oh my gosh. No, I broke this. I actually, what I don't know what's happening. Okay. Look at that. That's satisfying to watch just all the TNT. Well, no, this is my computer. I'm getting like maybe 30 FPS right now. Like, I'm used to getting probably a few hundred FPS, although I can't like support. But what is happening? This is actually holding up surprisingly well considering, but look at this. Okay, well anyway, thanks for watching. If you made it to here, feel free to download all of these. There's links in the description. Maybe you'll have better luck, maybe you'll have worse luck with this. Okay, oh, there goes another explosion. Yep, anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys later, and bye.